Mini Alfajores de Maicena made in the air fryer. Serves about 12 and takes 30 minutes. Soft short cookies sandwiched with dulce de leche. 1 cup of cornstarch or Maicena, the base for tender alfajores. 1 cup of all-purpose flour to give structure to the dough. ½ cup of unsalted butter at room temperature to make a tender crumb. ½ cup of powdered sugar to sweeten and lighten the dough. 1 cup of dulce de leche for the classic creamy filling. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Sift 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add ½ cup of powdered sugar and stir to combine. Cut ½ cup of cold unsalted butter into small cubes and chill for 5 minutes. Rub the cold butter into the dry mixture with your fingertips until it looks like coarse sand, about 2 to 3 minutes of work. Add 1 tablespoon of cold water at a time and fold until the dough just comes together. Use about 2 to 3 tablespoons total if needed. Do not overwork the dough. Wrap the dough in plastic and chill in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to firm up. Roll the dough to about 3 mm thickness and cut 2½ cm rounds to make small cookies. Place them on a tray that fits your air fryer basket, leaving a little space between each. Preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes before cooking. Place a single layer of rounds in the basket and air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes until the edges are just set and very lightly golden. Cook in batches as needed. Transfer the cookies to a cooling rack and let them cool completely for at least 10 minutes so they do not break when filled. Spoon about 1 teaspoon of dulce de leche onto one cookie and sandwich with another. Press gently so a small amount peeks out. Dust the tops with a light sprinkle of powdered sugar using a fine sieve for a classic finish. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container for up to 2 days at room temperature. Enjoy with coffee or mate. This is the last step. Now we'll finish preparing the recipe and enjoy the alfajores. Mini Alfajores de Maicena ready. If you liked this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Argentine treats.